a Chinese tale called The Wild Monkey's Liver. Once in a kingdom underneath the sea, there lived a dragon king and a dragon queen, and their son, the dragon prince, was of age where he needed to choose a wife. Well, the dragon king and the dragon queen pleaded with their son, "Oh dear, you are getting old enough now. You must choose a wife so that there can be heirs to our throne and our kingdom."
"I'm really not interested. I really don't want to do it. Why are you making me do it?"
said the dragon prince. But nonetheless, the mother sent out invitations throughout the whole kingdom. They were carried near and far by all the undersea couriers, and they were delivered to the princesses who lived in the undersea kingdom. Now, each one of the princesses were delighted to get it. "Oh, I've been invited. Oh, I'm so excited. I can go to the ball and maybe I'll be chosen." Now, they all put on their finest seashells and seaweed gowns, and they gathered all the treasures from under the sea to decorate themselves. And on the night of the event, the princesses from the undersea world started gathering and entering the palace. The dragon prince just stood there. I'm really not happy. Oh my goodness. Why are they making me go through all of this? What is the point? I don't want to get married. But he stood there trying to look friendly. The proceedings occurred as each princess entered, was introduced. She curtsied in front of the prince. He looked this way and he looked that, not being impressed at all. But one of the last dragon princesses to arrive caught his eye. She had yellow teeth and red eyes. Her scales glistened in the colors of turquoise and aqua. She had large feet with claws, and her breath could be smelled across the room. Nonetheless, when she arrived, he bothered to look at her. "Ha! I'm a dragon princess. I was invited to your event. I really don't know if I want to be here, but nonetheless, I'm here. So what's up, dude? Because I'm here and I'm ready to dance." The dragon prince noticed her, and he put his claw out. "Oh, what do you want me to do? Like walk with you in front of everybody? Is that supposed to be impressive?"
Yes, I'd like you to dance with me."
"Dance, schmance. I don't know if I like to dance." But nonetheless, he whisked her away, and they did some dancing across the floor, although the dragon princess was quite clumsy and not at all a dancer. But by the end of the evening, she had won his heart. He looked at her and said, "Ah, beautiful dragon princess, would you be my bride?"